Hi guys, welcome again to Beginner's Guide, creating a table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. Table of contents helps to organize your document, especially for reports, books, etc. Let's master table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. A table of contents, TOC, in LibreOffice Writer automatically organizes and displays the structure of the document by using headings and styles. In Writer, the Table of Contents feature enables us to build an automated table of contents from the headings present in the document. In Writer, the Table of Contents feature enables us to build an automated table of contents from the headings present in the document. Let's understand how to create the table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. Step 1. Apply heading styles. To create a TOC, ensure to use a heading style throughout the document, e.g., Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3. Highlight the text that is required to appear in the TOC. Click Styles menu option on the menu bar and select Heading 1, Heading 2, etc., depending on the level of heading. Step 2. Insert the table of contents. Once heading styles are applied, follow these steps to generate the TOC. Place the cursor where you want to insert the TOC, usually at the beginning or end of the document. Go to Insert, Table of Contents and Index, Table of Contents, Index, or Bibliography. A dialog box will appear. Under the Type tab, make sure Table of Contents is selected. Creating a table of contents, TOC, in LibreOffice Writer is a great way to organize your document, especially for reports, books, and longer documents. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create and customize a TOC in your document. Let's start with a sample MS Word document with a table of contents to understand it completely. Observe the Ctrl+ click to follow the link. Clicking on it jumps to that subheading in the document. Now, let's move to LibreOffice Writer and find how Table of Contents can be used in it. I have copied some part of the notes from Word document, so as to quickly demonstrate the Table of Contents in Writer. Here is the main heading of the notes of Chapter 10 Light. Click on Style menu option. Select Heading 1 option from the displayed list of sub-menu options. Observe first subheading of Chapter 10 as 10.1. Select it. Click on Style menu option and select Heading 2 option. For subsection 10.1.1, select Heading 3 option from Style menu. Repeat the same process of selecting Heading 2 and Heading 3 for other subheadings and subsections. Once heading styles are applied, follow these steps to generate the talk. Place the cursor where you want to insert the talk, usually at the beginning or end of the document. Go to Insert, Table of Contents and Index, Table of Contents, Index, or Bibliography. A dialog box will appear. Under the Type tab, make sure Table of Contents is selected. Decide the title you want for your table of contents. Select from the drop-down list, after checking all options and selecting the required one. For now, let's select Table of Contents. Make sure the checkbox labeled Create from Headings is selected. Check all the tabs of the displayed dialog box to learn and apply different options that can be used to customize the table of contents. Clicking on OK button generates the table of contents at the required place in the document. Observe here also the Control+ click to jump directly on any subtopic or subsection. It jumps to the subtopic. Finally, we are done with table of contents. The important thing that we have master and learn in this tutorial. A table of contents, TOC, in LibreOffice Writer automatically organizes and displays the structure of your document by using headings and styles. Tips for an enhanced table of contents. Use consistent heading styles. Ensure you're applying heading 1, heading 2, etc. properly to maintain a well-structured talk. Keep it updated. Always update the talk before finalizing your document to reflect any changes made during editing. Use hyperlinks. By default, the talk entries are clickable. This allows readers to jump directly to the section by clicking the talk entry. Thank you so much for showing interest and watching the video. Subscription to my channel will be a moral booster for me to continue provide services to my community. So a humble request to subscribe my channel. Also like and share. Visit my blog for detailed notes and information. Once again, thank you so much.